Hey, summer enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the hottest trends and coolest styles. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion, specifically the must have for your summer wardrobe, the Hawaiian shirt. Now, we all know that Hawaiian shirts are more than just clothes, they're a celebration of summer vibes. So, let's explore three fantastic options that not only look great, but will make you feel amazing all season long. Number one, regular Hawaiian shirt. Your passport to endless summer style. First up, we have the regular Hawaiian shirt, your passport to endless summer style. Crafted from a blend of 97 polyester and 3 spandex, this shirt is all about comfort. It's wrinkle resistant, offering that relaxed, breezy feel you crave during those hot summer days. Perfect for beach parties or casual outings. It embodies the very spirit of summer. And the best part, it's so easy to care for. Just toss it in the machine, wash it cold, lay it flat to dry, and you're good to go. Trust me, you'll be turning heads at that summer barbecue. You will find the product link in the description and comments. Number two, Hawaii shirt, combining fun and comfort. Next on our list is the Hawaii shirt, the perfect blend of fun and comfort. Made entirely of woven polyester, this shirt is a durability champ. It resists wear and tear, maintaining its vibrant colors even after multiple washes. With short sleeves for maximum comfort and mobility during the summer, this shirt is a go-to for any summer party or social gathering. And here's the best part. It's so versatile. Pair it with your favorite jeans or dress it up a bit for a semi-formal look. The possibilities are endless. You will find the product link in the description and comments. Number three, pocket Hawaiian shirt, a tropical casual essential. Last but certainly not least, we have the pocket Hawaiian shirt, a tropical casual essential. Crafted from 100 polyester, it feels like a second skin with its Cuban collar, bright prints, and a convenient patch pocket. This shirt is a standout choice for all ages, sizes, and genders. Wear it alone for a casual outing or layer it over a white t-shirt for a more nuanced look. Whether you're headed to a special occasion or just hanging out with friends, this shirt strikes the perfect balance between laid back and sophisticated. You will find the product link in the description and comments. And there you have it, folks. Three incredible Hawaiian shirts that will elevate your summer wardrobe, comfort, style, and versatility. These shirts have it all. Now, if you're as excited as I am about these fantastic finds, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment telling us which one is your favorite, share this video with your friends, and of course, subscribe for more summer fashion tips. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Until next time, stay stylish and enjoy the summer vibes.